Hey y'all, Cookin' Savvy here. Let's talk Savvy tacos for a minute. You know, tacos don't have to be just ground beef and lettuce in a hard taco shell. Try this Savory Street Tacos recipe and let it take your tacos to the next level of tasty. Just place a chuck roast in your slow cooker and cover it with taco seasoning. Then pour beef consomme over the roast and cook on low for 6 hours to braise. Once the roast is done, use a fork to shred. Then brush the outside of your tortillas with avocado oil and fill them with the braised meat and shredded cheese. Place the tacos in a casserole dish and bake at 425 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes until they reach your desired level of crispiness. Place the tacos on a tray and serve with salsa, guacamole, and queso. Now that's what I call a savvy, tasty taco of a meal. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin' Savvy.